Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my channel. Yes, guys, so right now I'm in Breeze River in St. Elizabeth. So take a tour of Breeze River, very close to Elam, Santa Cruz, Balaclava. So enjoy the tour. St. Elizabeth was the first parish to have electricity power, where it was first introduced in a house called Waterloo that is in Black River in 1893. But big up on yourself, all the people there, if you never know, say St. Elizabeth have the first parish to have electricity that is in Black River. Yeah man, so I don't know, St. Elizabeth nice. So we are heading towards Bridgewater Square. Yeah man, you can see mommy are buying ground food. Yeah man, you have a lot of hustler. Yeah man, big up on yourself, hard working people in St. Elizabeth, you know. So yes, my people, you know, Breeze River is the region of St. Elizabeth. Is a town located in Jamaica, some 57 miles or 71 kilometers west of Jamaica. So we are a couple minutes away from Bridgewater Square. So when you go to the square, you can make a left turn. It will take you all to Balaclava, Union, and also to Appleton Estate, and also to Mile Gully, straight back to Manchester. So we are heading towards the main road, which takes us to Santa Cruz and also to Goshen, Gutters, and Spur Tree. So enjoy the tour. So yes, my people, if you never know, so St. Elizabeth, Jamaica is the second largest parish. Is located in the southwest of the island in the country of Cornwall. So yes, people, so in Breeze River we see a lot of different houses, some nice houses in Breeze River. So when you're driving in Breeze River, you gotta be very careful for all those kids, and always look out for all those taxi drivers. So be careful. So you know, in Breeze River, they did have a Airbase in Breeze River. So you know, it was destroyed. Yeah man, and so if you don't want to come on a Sunday morning and come to Breeze River, come having a nice steam fish same way on the riverside of Breeze River. Yeah man, what a beauty in Breeze River, a lot of coconut trees. Nice weather today in Breeze River. So you know, a lot of cane plant in Breeze River. It's a farming area for cane, sugar cane. So we're heading towards the bridge, that is Breeze River Bridge. So that's where a lot of persons come and hang out on the bridge. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. As you can see, a lot of shops in Bridgewater. A lot of corner shop. Yeah man, so you can come and have a red stripe beer. So no place like the country, a lot of shops. So yes, my people, so I'm not driving a Bridgewater and if you look out for one ditch in the road now, because if you not go with speed, the ditch will bump on off of the road, so now if you look out for the ditch, you know. If you come from Bridgewater to Santa Cruz, yeah man, see it. Look out for the ditch. Yeah man, if you look out for the ditch, very dangerous. So the car just fly through a while ago, so you have to be careful. You have a lot of different drivers on the road now, so some person will just always at speed, no obey by the road code and stuff, so I have to look out for them people there. Yes, my Jamaican people. Yeah man, so we soon reach the main road. Main road can take us back to Goshen, Lovely Point, Santa Cruz, also to Gutters. Take you right back around to Nain, Spur Tree. Yes, so we're up on the main end now. If you take us back to, if you make a left turn, it will take you back to Goshen. If you make a right turn, it will take us right to Lovely Point, straight into Santa Cruz, one of the hottest towns in Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, that is being Santa Cruz. So people, if you don't want to feel a sunny underneath, you come to Santa Cruz on a hot day. And you can feel the temperature like in Santa Cruz. So big up all of my subscribers them and my fans them from UK, Canada, Bahamas, USA. Big up on yourself. Everyone just big up on yourself. You tune into Fire Reid, Jamaica tour guide. So our destination will be at Lovely Point. Yeah man, so we got a lovely point. Can take up this, we can take it to Northampton, Leeds, go straight back to Nain and Junction same way. So many different turn off you can take in Jamaica. I've got different location with people. Yeah man, so a lot of persons kind of scared of that local area because them say that area kind of haunted at night time when they come on to. You know people stay when they come on to, them say a church up there kind of haunted and stuff. Just so I couldn't know how me here. Even myself, I'm scared of that area too, so yeah man, just pass the church on your left hand side. Yeah, so we are going to Lovely Point now. So Lovely Point gonna be our destination. Yeah man, Jamaica nice. No matter what the crisis we have faced, Jamaica always nice, you know. A lot of persons scared to come to Jamaica because of the crime But no matter what, Jamaica is still nice. Just stay away from all those people. Yeah man, so you have two dead house on your right hand side. I think it's be Bent and Solomon, something like that, people. Yeah man, so I'm gonna make a left turn to take you all to Lovely Point, take you right back to Leeds and Blue Shop. If you keep right, that will take you right back into Santa Cruz town. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.